Okay, Dee, what are you getting into today?
I'm making peanut butter fudge.
Oh, yeah.
This is a recipe from my grandma and my mom, of course. Um, but I make a double batch to put in a 9 by 13 pan. And that's the recipe. For this, I take a half a stick of butter, a whole can of evaporated milk, and then 4 cups of sugar. This is not a quick thing. It takes time. So I will warn you, you've got to be patient with it, or it won't get thick. And I've done it trying to hurry it and end up throwing it out. But or you can put it on top of ice cream. We've done that before too, vanilla ice cream, if it gets too runny. But that's what you do, and you have to let it cook till it melts all the sugar in the butter, and it'll cook. Okay, it's boiling now, cooking, whatever you want to call it. The way I tell if it's done, you can use a candy thermometer and let it get to the softball stage, or you can tell, this is just because I've made it over the years, you can tell by the way it comes off of the spoon if it's thickening up or not. Also, you can tell by putting a couple drops on a saucer and putting it in the freezer, and it is a softball stage. So then once it's at that stage, I put my vanilla in. This is a double batch, so it's 2 teaspoons. 1, 2. And I stir it. And then I will put my peanut butter in. I just get cheap peanut butter. I buy the 1 pound because it takes exactly that much for it, and it's easier than having to measure it out. So I do it that way, and you don't have to second guess yourself that way. Now, my mom would butter the pans. I don't butter them. I put a layer of wax paper down so it doesn't stick. I just didn't want to put more butter in it. And then I put it in the refrigerator. Okay, this is a pan, because I make 4 batches. This was a pan I made earlier today. And it's nice and hard. Some of it I'll make soft because some people like theirs soft and some like them hard. But that's what it looks like. I use crunchy peanut butter because everybody likes the crunchy. You can use either crunchy or smooth. So, okay, then when it gets cold enough, you just slice it. I like using glass pans because using metal pans tends to cut into the pan. And then you can just lift it out of the pan. I'm gonna weigh it and get back to you on how many pounds it is. Okay, I weighed it, and It's a little bit over 3 pounds. So that's about what a double batch would make.
And I am the perfect person to taste it. And it's great as usual. It's just amazing. It tastes so good. Good day, folks.